Hi, Russell from Word of Mouth Technology here, just with a Bellman Maxi to show you how to identify when the batteries need replacement and how to replace the batteries. So when the batteries in a Maxi are getting low, the light down here will flash to indicate that the batteries need replacing. Once the batteries get too low for the Maxi to operate, when you go to turn it on, you'll get the green flashing lights, the volume bar will light up, and then it will all turn off and it won't work. So a really easy fix for it is to get two new AA batteries, turn the device over, open the battery door, take the old batteries out, put the new batteries in, making sure that you match the polarity with the polarity marked in the case. Close the door and then turn the Maxi back on and it will work fine.